Take a ride in the 2016 Chevy Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.